I'll be okay. I'm a little late today because I was working on that Budweiser last night, so there's a party last night, and here I am with that Budweiser, and here I am late today. Yeah, but that's on the weekend though, so, you know, a Saturday night Budweiser, so pretty cool. Ma'am, you're welcome. Since you're there smiling too, you're welcome to ride it too. Okay? Both of you ladies could ride it. I do all that. There's plenty pancakes. Maybe in an hour they'll lay some pancakes again.
Sumahi. Jamu now? Kumalago how more?
Alright.
Got mo Karabao?
Sorry it's late today, but trying my best.
Salu, jamu este? Gan? Hadin na este na Karabao?
Busy.
Oh, este si Bessie. Un haso? Esta muna yan. Esta muna ki Bessie.
Alright, cool. Yeah, you guys are riding the best 4x on the island. The first Chamorro Cadillac. If anybody tell you any different story, you bring that person over, we'll correct that person. But it's the first Chamorro Cadillac, first transportation Chamorro ever had. There ain't no Datsun or Toyota back then, only the Americans got it.